Welcome back. We are breaking down how authors support and develop their ideas, and we're doing it with an article called Cool Roofs. So, if you grab this half sheet, please, and for your group, I'd like you to place this half sheet right in the center of your desk, just kind of right there. Excellent. And here's what I'd like you to do either as an individual or as a group. You're going to notice that there's this quote in the center, right? The best choices will improve our lives and the cities we live in by respecting each other and the planet we so depend on. I'd like you to circle words inside of that quote in the center. So let's say you circle the word choices. Then I'd like you to try to find the word choices here in the word cloud as well. Maybe you see the word city or cities. Maybe you see the word city there. I'd like you to circle words inside of the quote that also correspond with the word cloud that was made from the entire article. I'd like you to try to find as much as you can in the next minute, you and your partner hunting down as many words as you can that are inside of the quote in the center and are also in the word cloud surrounding it. Take the time to do that now, please. Excellent work. Next step is we're going to be separating our pictures from our uh, text. So I'd like you to grab the Green City one here, this picture here, this picture here, and this picture here. Don't worry about the two big pictures. And I'd like you to put them in a column here to the left. And then I'd like you to grab the text one, two, three, and four. And I'd like you to put them in a column on the far right of the desk. And then to move this into the center. Please take the time to make your desk look a little something like Mr. Surface's. Excellent. So the name of this article is called Cool Roof. So let's take these two fold back ones, please. Take these two fold back ones, and I'd like you to put them right on top of this word cloud, right at the top, so they're sort of like the crown of this lovely achievement. Excellent. So they should be standing up there, folded back, standing on your desk above this. All right. So now your desk looks just like the board. All right. Now, the next step is we need to grab our notebooks. Okay. So on one of those desks, you'll see this layout here. And then each person in the group has their notebooks in hand or a piece of paper in hand. What I'd like you to do is in the center is to copy this same quotation that you see here into your notebook. So that'll go in the center. You want to copy that quotation word for word. Doesn't have to be that big. And then the next step is to choose which pictures and quotes you think help develop this idea or support this idea that the best choice is to improve our lives and the cities we live in by respecting each other and the planet we so depend on. And I'd like you to put them in order from most impactful to least impactful, or which idea seems to have the most support, or you could write about the easiest. So, surrounding this one here, I'd like you to put, well, we have four, eight. I'd like you to put 1 through 8. So, across the top, we're going to put number 1, 2, 3, 4. And then along the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have something that looks just like that. Please take the time to make your paper and one of the desks at your group look like that. Excellent work. Now, what you want to do is to put those in order. So I'm just going to do it randomly. Maybe Maybe number one is going to be Green City. Maybe number two will be the heat island. Maybe number three will be about the plant roots serving as a jacket. Maybe number four will be so future cities will be cooler and quieter, right? I'd like you to put them in order from most important or most helpful idea to least helpful. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Excellent work. Please do so now.